Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be creating a photo rakhi with old waste material. Here I am using the tassel or frame of my old jhumka, or you can use anything circular, for example rings, frames or old bangles. So let's get started. First you need a circular glitter sheet cutout, Fevi Bond or Fevicol, thin ribbon, you can choose color of your choice, photograph of your brother or sister, beads from old mala. Initially, narrow one end of the red ribbon and start inserting golden and white bead. First insert golden bead so that the rakhi is secure, then start inserting white bead alternatively. Repeat this 3 times and insert 2 golden beads in the center. You can see here I have attached an image for more clarity. Now take a small piece of cardboard and stick your brother's photo on the cardboard and cut the same very neatly. Apart the beads of the rakhi from the center and stick red foam glitter sheet. On that glitter sheet, stick the picture of your brother. For further decoration, stick the tassel or bead with the same Fevi Bond. So here our photo rakhi is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day.